There was a cat and a mouse. They lived in an old house. But this cat and mouse were not enemies of each other at all. These people considered each other very good and were great friends of each other. The mouse and the cat had been living in the same old house for a long time, hence they had developed a very deep friendship. They used to eat and drink together, and whenever they had to go out, they used to hang out together. Those people understood each other very well. One day it happened that both the rat and the cat felt very hungry, but they did not get anything to eat in the old house where they were living. That's why the mouse and the cat used to come out of that old house every day and enter other people's houses in search of food, and together they would eat whatever they found and then return to their old house. In this way the mouse and the cat were passing their day, but one day the mouse and the cat felt very hungry and they thought, let's go to someone else's house and see what we can get there to eat. After this, the rat and the cat entered someone else's house in the village, and as soon as they entered, they saw that milk was kept in a glass. But the mouse said that I cannot drink milk from the glass. How can I go that high? I cannot reach there till the glass. Then the cat said that you are my friend. There is no need for you to get worried and suffer. I will find some trick and we both will drink the milk from this glass. The mouse became very happy after hearing this. After that, the cat dropped the glass of milk with its claws, due to which the milk fell on the ground, after which both the cat and the mouse drank the milk vigorously. As soon as the glass of milk fell down, the owner of the house heard the sound of the glass falling. He immediately came into the room and the rat went and hid in some corner. The landlord immediately threw a net over the cat and the cat got trapped in it. After that the owner of the house went out of the room for some time. The cat kept meowing and screaming there. Then the rat comes out from the corner and says to the cat that you are also my friend, you have helped me in feeding milk, then I will definitely support you. The rat immediately started biting the net with its sharp teeth, and within a short time he had cut the net before the cat came out. After that the cat thanked the mouse very much, and then both of them immediately ran away from there. After that they never entered that house, and after that their friendship became even stronger and deeper. The cat told the mouse that if you were not there today, then the landlord would not know. It was very dark in the house and nothing was visible. But you must be aware that the rat has a very strong hearing power, so when it came to know in the house where it would get bread, it started going to that place. But what happened suddenly, the landlord of the house placed a cage to catch the rats. As soon as the rat caught hold of the bread with its teeth, the door of the cage closed and the rat was imprisoned. The cat kept waiting for the mouse for a long time, but there was no sign of the mouse's arrival. Delhi knew that we mostly go to our neighboring house to eat food, so maybe there is a problem with the mouse there. So it is not. The cat somehow went into that house and saw that the mouse was sucking there. The cat recognized the voice of his friend rat, and now he thought, how can he get his friend rat out of this cage? At the same time, the landlord's small child entered the room, and the cat thought that this child does not know anything. He thought, why not bring the child near the cage so that there could be a way through which the rat could come out. He has thought of an idea in his mind. The cat went to the child. The child was 5 or 6 years old. The cat was very good looking and very cute, and small children like to play with the cat, so he went to catch the cat. But the cat was not coming under the child's hand and was deliberately roaming around the cage. The child was also very desperate to hold the cat in his hand, and he was running after the cat. While running, the child's foot suddenly fell on the opening of the cage door, due to which the cage door opened and the rat immediately came out from there. After which the cat and the rat returned to their old home with each other. The rat thanked the cat very much for saving his life, but the cat told the rat that one day you had saved me from trouble, so it was my duty to help my friend, and that is why today I helped you. Curry. From that day onwards the cat and the mouse always supported each other and lived in love. Lesson: we should support our friends in times of trouble.